How to reset App Store balance to $0.00 on iPhone. So let's get started. First thing first, go to the any web browser and search for the getapplesupport.com. Then after that, log into the Apple Support website. Inside Apple Support, scroll down and tap on the billing and subscription option available there. Once you tap on the billing and subscription, now even inside the billing and subscription, you'll have to scroll down till the bottom and look for the get support option there. Once you find the get support option, all you have to do is tap on it. Now once you tap on the get support, again you'll have to tap on the subscriptions and purchase option available on your screen. After you tap on the subscription or purchase, scroll down again till you find an empty box available there. Now write down that you want to keep your App Store balance to $0.00 on iPhone and send it to the Apple support. They will reach out to you as soon as possible. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.